Hi, my name is Maxim, and this is episode 6, and we're continuing with not Power Rangers, superheroes. Sorry. And yeah. So we have this, and then we put a blue right like this and like that. Like that. And then I put this right here next to this blue. Ow, that hurts to put in. That goes all the way down. Do it again, like that. And I put it right here. Like that. There. And then I put it right here. You can hear the click. That means it's good. See? Right? But I have to put it down because this is how it's going to. But this is the back where it's down. No, watch. Watch this. Like that, but on the other side, it works also. Now we're going to step 57. Wow. I really actually did a lot. And then I get there. Right here. Oh, there we go. Like that. And then there. There. Like so, we put one right here and one right there. So this was episode 6, and next is going to be episode 7. So see you again. Bye, and subscribe down low. Bye.